A while back, I was trying to clean up an old oil spill on a concrete driveway. The oil spill was serious and it has been there for a while, meaning it was quite penetrated into the concrete. I tried searching online for the best solution, all with varying formulas and solutions, but here is one where I found that worked out perfectly at a minimal cost. The project requirements include a push broom, a dustpan, brake or carburetor cleaner, and non-clumping kitty litter. The time is about an hour or so, and I would rate the difficulty to be easy. I purchased the brake cleaner and kitty litter for $27.27 at a local store. Here's how the oil stain looked like. First, I used a push broom to clean the surface and remove any dirt or gravel. Next, I sprayed it liberally with the brake cleaner. Covering the above spill took one full can. I took the kitty litter and covered the entire spill. The spill above took the full bag, which was 18 kilograms. I let it sat for about 10 minutes and brushed the kitty litter off. As you can see, it was a clear improvement from before. It wasn't still as good as I wanted it to be, so I took the second can and sprayed it again. I covered the spill with the same kitty litter as it can absorb quite a bit, so don't throw them out yet. After leaving it for another 10 minutes, here are the results. The results were simply incredible. Still got a few marks on the side to clean up, but I can confirm this method 100% works. Let me know in the comments if this method worked for you.